Once upon a time in the bustling village of Harmonyville, there lived a young man named Ethan. Ethan had always dreamed of gaining the respect and admiration of his fellow villagers. He was kind-hearted and had a good nature, but he had a few bad habits that hindered him from achieving his goal. Procrastination. Ethan had a tendency to put things off until the last minute. He would often delay his chores, tasks, and responsibilities, hoping to find a burst of motivation later. This habit not only affected his own productivity but also caused inconvenience to those who relied on him. Negative self-talk. Ethan was his own worst critic. He would constantly doubt his abilities and belittle himself with negative self-talk. This lack of self-confidence prevented him from showcasing his talents and ideas to the world, leaving others with a skewed perception of his true potential. Lack of accountability. Whenever Ethan made a mistake or encountered a setback, he would find someone or something else to blame. This lack of accountability prevented him from learning from his errors and growing as an individual. It also hindered his ability to form strong, trust-based relationships with others. Interrupting others. Ethan had a habit of interrupting people while they were speaking. He often couldn't wait for others to finish expressing their thoughts and would jump in with his own opinions. This behavior made others feel unheard and undervalued, causing them to avoid engaging in meaningful conversations with him. Constant complaining. No matter the situation, Ethan would find something to complain about. He would focus on the negative aspects of life rather than appreciating the positives. This pessimistic outlook made him appear ungrateful and drained the positive energy from any room he entered. Disorganized approach. Ethan's lack of organizational skills made his surroundings chaotic. He would frequently lose important items, forget commitments, and struggle to manage his time effectively. This disarray extended to his interactions with others, as his scattered approach often led to misunderstandings and missed opportunities.